endlessly. Someday, surely, someday. My world is always closed off, blocked by the grid stretched across the sky. Both my movement and my view. If I'm not allowed to spread my wings or even soar from there, then what is the meaning of my life? Someone tell me, why was I born? To be looked at by someone, to heal someone's heart. Is my life only for others? Will I never have freedom forever like this? Why can't I soar and float away in that vast sky? Everyone wants to spread their wings and fly forever, carried on the wind. Always, 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 like a free bird. That person in front of me always flaps their wings freely, making that vast sky their own world, resting their wings and soaring again, living freely. What do you see in your eyes? Please tell me, am I pathetic to you? A life kept alive by someone else, living without effort. My heart remains closed off, and forever like this. Am I just going to live? Why can't I make that vast sky my own? Can I spread my wings? I didn't choose it myself. I wanted to live a life where I could fly endlessly on the wind. Always, always, like a free bird. Why can't I fly freely around that vast sky, spreading my wings as wide as I can, riding on the wind? I wanna fly anywhere, flying like a flowing current. Someday, surely, someday.